Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistry Info. My name is Somnan and today I'm gonna show you how to duck the sound. So duck the sound is super simple and it's really useful. So what it does is when you're talking, like what I'm talking right now, and I want to add the music in the background. So while I was talking, the music at the background is very low and you can hear your voice more. And when you stop talking, the sound at the background is going back up. Normally people will go with keyframes or like frame by frame. That is take a long time. This is going to be automatic, super easy, and it's really useful for you. I don't want to take any more time because I want to do a very short video, easy for you to learn. So let's go ahead and start it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I already have my video clips right here, and I already have record my sound. If you want to listen to it, let's do it a couple of seconds. Okay, so right now the music, right, if you see right here, there is no I don't talk at all. It's been very clear, so the music is loud. So let's start it. Hello everyone, welcome back to CN Java. My name is Samhan, and today I'm gonna take you to one of the beautiful places in Washington State. You see, the music and the sound that I record are very much the same volume, and I couldn't really hear my voice much because the music is super loud. We have a very great way and super easy to solve that issue. So what you want to do is you go to the effects. Okay, I'm gonna go through the whole thing for you, and then you want to go into essential sound. So you want to go effects, essential sound, click on it, and you want to click on the video. It's like over here you want to click the whole entire thing, and then you come to over here, you want to click on the music right there. Okay, and after that you see this checklist right here. Go ahead and check it. Check both. The this is duck again dialogue clips and duck the music clip. So when you duck that, all you need to do right here, it default to 18. I want to do it a little bit lower, maybe 11 is 11.1. You can play around. Also, I want to make the sounds a bit lower, so I'm gonna move it into, let's say, 7.1. Okay, so then this is will be automatic duck your sound, and all you need to do is just generate keyframes right here. Okay, here we go. Just wait, and it done. You see how fast it is, and it's super helpful. You see this, when I didn't talk, the sound is kind of normal, you know, just regular sound at whatever you want loud to be. And when you start talking, the sound is kind of getting low right here with the automatic generate keyframe for you. This is amazing. I love this one. I love this feature, so I hope you do too. So let's try listen to it. Hello everyone, welcome back to CN Java. My name is Samnan, and today I'm gonna take you to one of the beautiful place in Washington State. And the name of the place is called Leavenworth. I think that's perfect. I don't want to make any more, but you can adjust whatever you want. You want to make the sounds a little bit lower, you can just pull this keyframe right here. You want to make it louder, you can do adjust all these keyframe, play around, whatever you feel like. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful and useful, please leave a comment, any question, and give me a thumbs up. I'll appreciate it. It gives me more motivation to do more video, because if I don't have any like, or people don't really care much about my video, I don't feel like I want to do it because I have a lot of things to do. But if I feel like I do something and it's help people, it's make me feel good, and I will continue to do more. So I hope you have a wonderful day and happy holiday. See you the next video. Bye.